Ken Van Liew here, CEO of Global Real Estate Strategies, best-selling author of the Modern Wealth Building Formula, and my expertise is skyscrapers in New York City, but I've been fortunate over the years, starting from, a top-down thinking to really look at every aspect of real estate. And one of the things with Fund and Grow is that it really enables you to leverage your opportunities in real estate. Having money is one thing, but by using other people's money, having credit lines, you can really go in several different directions. And that's the great thing about working with Fund and Grow. I love residential. The commercial and retail markets, being from New York City, are struggling right now. I'm moving in entitlement work and also multifamily residential, which is going to hold up. Rental is going to be big. Once again, you should look at some of the stuff I wrote in here, which is about syndication, using other people's money. It's by using credit lines, equity, and debt, you can create capital stacks to do any type of investment. But you also want to go with the cycle. So my recommendation is you stick to land entitlement work. We can get approvals, flip the land at that time. Stick with your residential fix and flips, multifamily, and you'll be safe to get through this cycle. Fund and grow.